Yeah,
Some more
say
antenna motors up here.
yeah, there's a couple of antennas. The fact that it's outside probably indicates that he was not that interested in whether it was high dollar stuff or not. We've got a couple of these inside. These are the overriders that go on the rear bumper, and the gas filler door rests up against these bumpers. So he's got a couple of these. These are number 3 condition. They're not great, but there's a couple of them inside that are in better condition with chrome, chrome easier. These are headlight
motors.
Yeah, these are headlight transmission, rods that go in behind the grill to actuate the clamshell doors, and sure there's rights and lefts so we can tell which ones are which there. This is a rear window trim, goes below the rear window. There's a couple of those inside, and then this is a heater control cable. This is a windshield wiper regulator. Again, those don't generally go bad, so the only reason you're looking for one of those is your shop lost it and they need to replace it. Selection of intake manifolds. They've all got different numbers on them, but I would say that they run from, this one's marked 62. This one, might be a 64, and that one might be a 65. It's hard to say for sure without looking at the numbers, and we can tell you what the numbers are. This is an interesting one because it's probably for a 364 2-barrel. So this one's marked, in fact it's marked 61 364. So that would be one thing to, somebody looking for replacement intake manifold. It's got a Dynaflow transmission, which again, not a real marketable item, but it's here. And then this is a center unit for a open rear end. It's not a Positrack based on what I can tell. Although somebody that knows more about what a Positrack looks like might find differently. So there's that, and then we've got 4 axles on the other side. Okay, you're going brake booster. Yeah, there's not a lot to talk about up there. This is interesting. This is like a 63, 64 power window regulator, and the fact that the motor's been out here in the weather, I would question whether it was worth anything. 425 401 cranks. The only difference between a 401 and 425 is the bore, so the cranks would cross over. We've got 2 pair of heads. Assuming the heads are okay, they haven't been tested, but for the most part they've been out of the weather and not subject to a lot of degradation. This is the radiator crossbar that goes on basically makes the core support for 60, probably a 63 to 65. It's in good shape, it's not rusty. A couple of door skins, they're usable. These are, that's a right and a left, so that's both sides. And then up on the side here we got 2, we think they're 65 front fenders. Without looking at them really carefully, it's hard to tell. And then there's 2 65 rear bumpers that are in good shape. the two front bumpers that are right here are, the one on the bottom's a 65. Yeah, they're both 65s. So he's got 3 front uppers for a 65. Other things that might be interesting here is a couple of more exhaust manifolds. In fact, it looks like this goes with that nice looking one we saw inside. We should probably take that. That's the one that looks like it matches the one that I had inside on the floor. And then there's 2 more. And exhaust manifolds are like, you know, you don't need one until you break an ear off of one of them.
And that's about it.
That's all
for
you
the
got.
for the outside work area. So
That's all you got.
there it is.
Okay.